AmadaTECH Vertical Disabled Platform. Known for its ease of use, high mobility, quality, and reliability, AmadaTECH's range of platforms for the disabled is second to none. We produce solutions that can be easily installed anywhere and work continuously, using the latest technology in line with your specific requirements. The OpenType disabled platform offers internal or external vertical movement with customizable levels ranging from 600 mm to 3000 mm, suitable for both public and private properties. This platform is a reliable alternative to fully enclosed platform lifts and offers a cost-effective solution. It is specifically designed for applications that require little or no modification to existing buildings. The AmadaTECH disabled platform provides safe and easy access to facilities where stairs would prevent wheelchair access. It is designed to offer customers choice and flexibility. The AmadaTECH vertical disabled platform offers customers complete independence and peace of mind during use with minimal assistance from others.